Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well and healthy. In last session, we studied the noun number. Now we all know there are two numbers of nouns, singular and plural. We studied some rules. I hope you all are studied them and remember them. So we will take quick revision. Okay, so first rule was by adding s to the singular. The second rule was by adding es to the singular words ending s, double s, ch and x. Then third rule was by adding es to the singular words ending in o. Then fourth rule was by adding res to the singular words ending in y. If there is a consonant before y, we add only res. And if there is a vowel before y, we add only s. So today we will study some more rules for forming plurals. So let's start. Okay, the next rule is by adding ves to the singular word ending in f and fe. Now there are some words which ends with f or fe. So to form them into plural, we add ves at the end. For example, half. The word half ends with f. In plural, we remove f and add ves. Wolf. The word wolf also ends with f and we add. In plural, we remove f and add ves. Shelf, shelves. Leaf, leaves. Knife. Now look at this word, knife. The word knife ends with fe. And in plural, we remove fe and add ves. Thief. Thief also ends with ef and in plural form, we remove fe and add ves. Life, lives. So remember this, if the words ends with f or fe in plural, remove f and fe and add ves. Okay, understood? The next rule is by adding en or ren to the singular words. Now child, children. Child means one child and children means more than one child. So child becomes in plural children. We add only ren at the end in plural form. Child, children. Ox. Ox in plural we add en at the end. So it becomes ox, oxen. Next rule is by changing the inside vowel of the singular word. Now look at these words. The first word is tooth. So tooth is having vowels o. In plural we change them and add e, vowel e. So it becomes tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Woman, women. Goose, geese. Man, men. All these words are having vowels. So we add e, double e or e in plural form. There are some nouns that do not change in the plural. For example, sheep, sheep. We cannot say sheep, sheeps. Deer, deers. No. Sheep remains sheep in plural. Deer, deer. Aircraft, aircraft. Hair, hair. These are some nouns which do not change in the plural. There are the next rule is compound nouns generally form their plural by adding s to the principal word. Now compound nouns. What is the meaning of compound nouns? Compound nouns are which having one or more than one word. For example, son-in-law. So in plural it becomes sons-in-law, because son is principal word, son is main word, so sons-in-law. Passer-by, passes-by. Stepson, stepsons. I hope you all are understood. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.